Hi, I'm Katie. I'm here to help you have healthy, beautiful skin this winter. And I'm going to be giving you my 5 top tips because let's be honest, winter is very hard on our skin. And I wouldn't say I'm an expert on this, except I'm an expert on this. I grew up in Arizona, one of the places where you get a ton of dry heat. And what people don't seem to realize is also in Arizona, you get dry cold in the winters as well. So all year round, except for a brief little period when you have monsoons, it's dry out there. And if you don't know how to take care of your skin, you're gonna end up looking like used old leather, which is not at all what we're going for. So I'm going to be giving you my 5 top tips and tricks for how to have the most beautiful skin you've ever had so that people are going to be asking you for your secrets. All right, so tip number 1, take good care of yourself. Sleep, eat, and drink pure water. These are skincare essentials. If we get less than 7 hours of sleep a night, our skin pays the price. Dehydration definitely speeds up the aging process of our skin. So if you consume alcohol at all, make sure that you're consuming glass for glass water alongside with it to try to minimize as much dehydration as happening there. Number 2, use products that are proven safe. WebMD's suggestion is to find an expert rather than going to a drugstore and hoping that you find something good on the shelf. Advertising is so deceiving, and you want to make sure that you get a product that is right for you. Many products that claim to help our skin actually end up doing more harm than good, contributing to dehydration and even inflammation of our skin, which creates more skincare challenges to try to combat with more products, and it's a snowball effect that nobody wants. So that's why you want scientific facts, and better yet, a guarantee that you're going to get the results that you're looking for. Number 3, moisturize with precision. Allure magazine points out that we really only have 3 minutes after washing or bathing to lock in moisture to maximize how much moisture we can get into our skin.
Avoid harsh cleansers that strip off oils like antibacterial soaps, shampoos heavy in chemicals, and alcohol-based hand sanitizers.
Number 4, minimize damaging cleansing. A hot shower may sound really good on a cold day, but it's actually very harsh and strips the good moisture out of your skin. So try to limit yourself to a maximum of 1 shower a day and for only 15 minutes. Number 5, exfoliate gently.
You definitely want to remove dead skin cells so you can better care for the new skin. However, many products out there strip away the skin or use abrasive surfaces like microbeads, which are not skin friendly and lead to more wrinkles and damage to your skin.
So let me know which one of these tips was the most helpful to you and which one you're going to grab onto and try this winter to make sure that your skin looks better than it ever has before. I enjoyed the results now myself, especially liking the fact that most people think that I'm 10 years younger than I really am. That'll get any girl dancing. All of my reference material is linked below so that you can reference that at any time, and feel free to contact me for any skincare questions that you may have. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful week.